Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Truth Be Told with Tara. And today I have Lurella. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. I love it whenever you comment, though. That's my absolute favorite. But when you share and you do that whole other thing, then that's even better. So today, like I said, I have Lurella, and it is their December subscription box. I don't know why I'm getting it so late. I feel like it's probably because it was December and things got crazy. So let's unbox it. All right. So this is so sad because this is like after Christmas. I don't know. Okay, so you got some Xmus Beauty sponges. And those sponges are amazing because I've had the worst trouble with my foundation lately. And I'm like mixing two or three. And the best way to get them all to bind together is to use a sponge. So for the longest time, I didn't even use a sponge. But the last few weeks, I have been. Okay. And so then I got another, what? Okay. Yeah, it's another sponge. Beauty sponge, no. Okay, this is a beauty sponge protector. Lurella always, being right on top of things, if not first in line. I have never even heard of, I've got the little egg and, but this is new. It's a whole protector. So put your little sponge in there and it'll protect it from dirt and other things. So cool. All right. So next we have a brush. Duh. And I mean, this is the LC25. And this looks just like the normal, I literally just used one of these to put my Charlotte Tilbury, it's one of her, I don't know if you call them liquid, but one of, the little pots. It's her pots. And this is the kind of brush that I used to put that on. And it worked perfectly. Let's just get it out of here. Okay, there we go. So again, it's the LC25. And you know what I think about brushes. You can never have too many. Okay, so next we have some tweezers, which I feel like I've ordered a million tweezers, but they just never get to me. I don't know what it is or why it is, but thank goodness. Thank you, Lurella, for finally getting me some tweezers. I don't need a whole lot of tweezer action, but you know, it's still nice to have, right here, your makeup just goes on better. Just trust me. Trust me on that. Okay, so next we have the little glitz mirror, which is so cute. I already have one of these. I might have a couple of these, but not in black. Yeah. So it looks like a little phone. I love it. It looks like a little flip phone. So you can be checking yourself, what up? You know, I'm not checking my makeup out, you know. Even though a flip phone has been out for 10 years, but that's okay. I adore it. I love Lurella's mirrors. Like, they have the best mirrors on the market right now. And last but not least is a silicone pad. Does that go in the back? What is this? No, that's not last but not least. My bad. Okay, so I don't know if this goes on back of that. And this does, by the way, light up. So, and that is so helpful. But is that what this goes to? It just says, like, yeah. So I guess you put that either, like, on the back of that. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to figure this out. All right. So next, like, I totally thought we were done. We have another brush, and this is the LC17. And I'm not going to pull it out, like, you can see. Right? Oh, gosh. Maybe not. Hang on. I have scissors. Don't worry. Alright, let's get her out of here. So, it's one of those. And to me, like, different brushes means different things for different people. Some will take specific brushes and do them for absolutely specific things. Not me. Like, I will pick up a brush and be like, okay, well, I'm going to use that for right here, right now. Just because it's a clean brush. So, don't hate me. Like, that's just what I do. But I mean, I don't know. LC17. Alright, so next we have, this is the lip liner, which I do kind of need right now because at this moment in time, I have a Tom Ford, it's a balm. And I did not put on a lip liner beforehand, and I should have, because I feel like you can't even, like, see my lips right now. So let's see what we got. And we'll put it on, and it looks a little red for me, but you know what? It has been holiday use, so... And oh my gosh, I actually think that it matches this kind of perfect. I'm not going to do the whole 9 just because it'll take too long. But I will do the most part. Which, wow, that just lit me right up, did it not? Yes, it did. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. So, last but not least, yes, this is last but not least. All right. Of course, you get a big old palette. I love Lurella. Lurella is just my favorite. Like, I love P. Louise, but Lurella just, I don't know. They make it fun. That's my whole thing with Lurella, is they make it fun. Like, I have the most fun ordering from them. Their lives. If you have not checked out a live from Lurella, you are so missing out. And they hook you up if you order from them during a live, which I have that coming up next, actually. This just happened to come in today and I wanted to get it out. But gosh, I had no idea that it was already, like, not already December, but like it was like, wow, this is a little late. And I'm not going to blame it on Lurella. Why is this so hard to open? Okay, here we go. Here we go. Their little Reindeer Palette. I mean, it's still winter time. Okay, there we go. Happy New Year. I can't get it out. Are you kidding me right now? There we go. Okay. So, Lurella. Little reindeer. Look at that. How cute. Alright. Better late than never. But look at those beautiful colors. They always have the cutest, most gorgeous, buttery colors. Alright. Oh, wow. You got some real, like, silvers in here. Okay, so okay, here's Christmas, which is a little odd, but that's okay. It's a very light color. Then you go to Chimney. That's what it is. Oh, gosh, they feel so good. Like, their colors are just, they feel so good. Okay, so I'm going to go to one of the silver. We're going to go, yeah. Wow. I mean, that would be perfect to me, like, if I were to wear this, I would just go on ahead and put it right here, right where it's going to probably, like, if it would be, like, crazy glittery and fall in my eyes, like, I don't think their colors do that, though. Did it show up? Maybe I need to do one more. Can we see it now? I should probably be doing this with a brush. There, I see it. Okay. All right. So, that is Night Sky, and I am going to end with Antlers. For some reason, I can't see. All right. So there's Antlers. Like, awesome. So that's just a few of the colors in the Lurella's Reindeer Palette. And I hate that I got it so late. I mean, I know why I got it late, but, you know, still yet. Alright, so that's going to be it for the December Lurella box. It's January 3rd or 4th. I don't know why it came so late, but it's here, so that's all that matters. And they always have the best stuff. And I love Lurella. It's one of my favorite boxes. So, Happy New Year. I'm sure I'll probably be getting another one in another week or so that is their January box. I don't know. It seems like everything's behind right now. So, alright, I'm going to shut up. And I'll see you guys in the next.